Hello, my name is Roman Gershman and I'm the creator of the Dragonfly DB project. And today I want to demonstrate how Dragonfly's new feature called tiered storage can save you up to 90% of your costs. To demonstrate this, I will send write traffic to Dragonfly with each request writing exactly 1000 bytes to the server. I will fill up 20 million keys, which will take around 20 gigabytes of RAM. I will then show you how much this process really takes on Dragonfly. So let's begin. In order to speed up the whole test sequence, I am using pipeline mode, and you can see that right now we are sending around 950,000 requests per second. And here's my Dragonfly instance that runs on R6G 4x large instance with 16 CPUs, Graviton CPUs. It works almost at 100% CPU capacity. And you can see it almost reached, now it reached more than 20 million keys. The test finished. And you can see that the latency with the pipeline mode was just 8 milliseconds and P99.9. And P99 with the pipeline mode was less than 2 milliseconds. It's really good latency. And let's see how much memory do we take. So you can see that our memory is just 1 gigabyte of RAM, and we should take 20 gigabyte of RAM. So how come? The thing is that we use our own unique algorithm to offload all the data to SSD disk, and you can see that it almost doesn't hurt latency. And just to show you that I'm not cheating, I can read data back from disk, and you can see that out of 20 million keys, almost all of them are offloaded external entities, so they're offloaded to disk. Let's try something else, another key and another key, and you can see that I did exactly 3 reads, and all those 3 reads went to the disk. Let's try and read now using our benchmark program. Let's try and read those entities that we wrote to Dragonfly. Let's do it for 15 seconds. You can see that we are reading data from Dragonfly, data that resides, all of the data resides on SSD drive, and we read it with a throughput of 700 queries per second. And you can see again that, again, we run with pipeline mode, and let's actually do it without pipeline mode. But you can see that the P99.9 latency was less than 7 milliseconds. Now I'm going to do the same without pipeline mode. Obviously, the throughput went down to 415,000 queries per second. And let's see, and it finished. And you can see that P99.9 is less than 2 milliseconds, as I told you, and P99 is less than a millisecond, and all the requests were read from the disk. We do not cache anything. It goes directly to disk, and it uses our novel data structure with a temporary name, not LSM tree. Okay, thank you for listening to me, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.